Question says, a joker's cap is in form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm. And the height is given as 24 cm. They are asking us to calculate the area of the sheet required to make 10 such cap. Look, area to make, okay, area of sheet required to make 10 caps. Okay, so 10 cap. So all the cap will be in shape of a circular cone. All is circular cone. Now to calculate area of one circular cone, we use the formula SA, which is pi RL. Now to calculate the area for 10 caps, what do? We multiply this by 10. So the same logic we need to apply here. So in the given question, they gave radius 7 centimeter. They gave height, that is 24 centimeter. Now we know the area or the CSA of cone is pi RL. So we have R but we do not have L. So to calculate L, we use the formula square root of R square plus H square. R value is 7, so 7 square. H is 24, 24 square. 7 square is 49 plus 576, which is 625. Square root of 625 is 25 centimeter. Now see, you got the value of R, you got the value of L. Pi value is 2 by 7. All the values are known, multiplied by 10. That should give you total area of the sheet required to make 10 joker caps. Look the calculation here. As you see, L value is found out is 25. The total area is curved surface area, which is 500 centimeter square 10. So this will give you the total area of 10 joker cap.